Okay, working on a 2003 Chevy Cavalier 2.2 liter Ecotec, and it has the standard issue or common issue of the crankshaft seal on the front of the engine leaking and shooting oil everywhere. There's a few videos on this already that are great, and thanks for everyone for posting those. But I just wanted to quickly show how I torqued down the bolt holding the crankshaft wheel, or the harmonic balancer, I guess it's called. Torquing it back up after putting the new seal in. The videos I've seen, basically you have two guys doing it, and I don't have that opportunity to have someone helping me today. So I rigged this up, and I just wanted to show this because I pissed around for about 20 minutes trying to find a solution here. So I'm hoping this will help someone down the road. There's also a video of a guy who cranks the engine really quick to loosen and tighten this bolt. I guess that works. I'm not really comfortable doing that. Also, I emptied all the oil out of this thing when the leak was happening because I didn't want the oil getting in the garage. So there's no oil in this thing right now. But essentially I took, I think it's a 1 1/4 or 1 1/8 inch standard wrench. I have it on the tri-arm of that pulley there, or the harmonic balancer, wedged in there a little bit. Then it's pivoting on this frame, and from the frame I have it going through the other end here of the wrench. And then this is just a 2-foot breaker bar, and I have it going underneath there. So I'll try and disconnect this really quick. I hope I don't knock it all out of place. Kind of need two hands. There we go. So essentially, I had that there. Throw the breaker bar through, and then providing some upper pressure, you can get it up and underneath there. And then it balances, so the strut there, and then whatever the hell this is, maybe the caliper bracket would be its name, but just resting on there. And again, pivoting on here. So this is locked in place, and now I'm able to get underneath the car with the torque wrench and crank that bolt to, I think, spec 77 foot-pounds. I would think I went to 80 just cuz. And yeah, that's the way I did it. Haynes Manual told me to get a buddy and put a screwdriver somewhere, but I just couldn't figure that out. So this is the way I did it. Hope it helps. Thanks, guys.